here's another idea for napkin rings for our Thanksgiving table. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I printed off these cute little labels. They say thankful, grateful, blessed. There is the blessed. This is me cutting them apart. Easy peasy, right? You can use scissors. You don't have to use a cutter. It's fine. Just cut them up. Okay. Then once we're done cutting them all up, I'm going to use my crocodile. You could use a hole punch. It's fine. Just pop a hole on either side of the word. Easy, right? And to be clear, I printed these on natural colored cardstock. All right, so there's that. Now, before we go any further with that, let's fold some napkins with our cutlery. Now, I'm using a paper napkin and I have some plastic cutlery because I don't know about you, but when there's a lot of people, I don't want to do the silverware. No. So this is a fun way to make it look festive, but also not have to do the silverware later. So we stack up knife, fork, spoon in that order. I made a triangle out of my napkin and I'm just folding it so that the parts aren't sticking out. Then I fold the triangle in half over our cutlery and then start rolling. I'm telling you, I knew my time at the restaurant and working at a bar was going to come in handy. This is what we used to do. Every restaurant I think I ever worked at, Hilton, all of them, they all did this. Well, anyways, so there we go. We've got a nice little package. Now, remember that little tag that we made? We put holes in it. Now I'm going to take some ribbon and we're going to put it through one of the holes, then put our napkin bundle there, and then put it through the other hole. And now we're going to just adjust it to where we want it. Easy. Perfect. You could even put eyelets on the end. Wouldn't that look cute? But I didn't want to go that far. But there it is. Perfect, right? Now we're just going to trim the ends. And friends, that's it. That's a napkin ring. Awesome. But it doesn't end there because you know I got to be extra. And Thanksgiving is actually my favorite thing. It's my favorite holiday ever. So, all right. So your guests have their little napkin thing. Tell them not to throw it away. Take the little tag, take it off. And now you instruct your guests, family, friends, whomever, to write on the back what you're thankful for. What are they thankful for? Could be family, could be turkey, could be a full belly, could be I'm leaving soon. I don't know. And look, and I put it in this little box. I made this box. I'll show you how I made this. But look at how cute this is. Stop it, right? You could do this. Now, you don't have to use the napkin ring to do this, right? You could just use, put a bunch of the tags and a pen, and people could just do that as they come in. And then you could take them all out and read them. You can read them this year, read them next year, when you're feeling sad, whatever. But look at how cute. How much fun stop it. How much fun is this? Seriously, I can't even. Listen. I just love doing these fun little things for my table. I hope you do too. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.